How to change your local currency on Coinbase wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your local currency on your Coinbase wallet. So first thing we do is we go to Coinbase wallet here. As you can see, this is the home page. Now you have to click here on the settings, and after that you have to go down and down, and you will find this option in other. It says local currency. Now you can choose wherever currency of your country you want. For example, uh, New Zealand dollar, and that's it. It will be changed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.